Next, we are discussing about social media consultant. What does that? It is also relating to information technology only. Social media consultant. What does a social media consultant to do? How to become a successful social media consultant? What to do social media consultants do? Social media consultants are individuals or agencies who work with clients with do social media consultants to improve upon, optimize and grow their social media presence. Every social media consultant's day-to-day work with look different depending on their offerings, which can range from one service to multiple. Most advantage of social media is, especially YouTubers and website developers, they want to introduce their pages. Website owners will introduce their pages, and YouTubers will introduce their videos to the society. By that, they are exposing in social media. By that, they will get very good advertisement and clicks, and everything will be there. So that is the advantage. And how much do social media consultants charge? That is $15 to $50 per hour would be appropriate for someone with 1 to 5 years of experience. $50 to $100 per hour is often charged by intermediate social media managers and creators, whereas advanced creators can go all the way up to $250 per hour. It is, I am saying. Why do you need? Next point is, why do you need a social media consultant? Social media consultants can help you achieve the following: higher acquisition and retention rates, better ROI for social media effective social media strategy. And next point is, how can I be a good social media consultant? Build a portfolio of case studies and produce and publish content that proves your worth. Network. Create an engaging Instagram account, not only Instagram account, and Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn also. A tiered approach is a good one. Prioritize lead generation, over deliver in the beginning. And next point is, what industry is social media consultant? Social media consultancy is a very vast field with numerous components. You can start a general practice or opt for a specialized consultancy practice. These specialized areas include social media consulting, content strategy, content marketing, social media copywriting, social media copywriting, digital marketing, and content creation. Next point is, how do I start a social media consultant? How do I start a social media consultant? Get an education, choose a niche, gain entry-level experience, network, make an engaging social media account, build a portfolio, consider starting a social media management company. And next point is, what is the social media consulting process? It involves planning, development, and improving a brand's social media presence through digital marketing techniques. In addition, managing prices and budget to align with the brand's objectives. How much does a social media consultant make? Social media consultants' rates depend on their experience and expertise. Next point is, what is the most famous social media company? Facebook. Facebook is 3 billion MAUs, that is user strength. Facebook is the largest social network site. The nearly 3 billion people using it monthly. This means roughly 37% of the world's population are Facebook users. And next point is, what is the king of social media? The latest statistics show that Facebook continues to reign strong as the king of social media. 3 billion active users in 2023. That means that nearly 2 out of every 3 of the 5 billion social media users across the world are active users of Facebook. Next point is, what are the 6 types of social media? The types of social media can be broken down in many ways that are most often divided into 6 categories. They include social networking, bookmarking, social news, media sharing, microblogging, and online forum sites. And next point is, what is the concept of social media? Social media refers to the means of interactions among people. in which they create, share and or exchange information and ideas in virtual communities and networks, the office communications and marketing manages the main Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn and YouTube accounts. This is the information regarding social media consulting. So social media consultants will be mostly, especially website developers will depend on social media consultants, and YouTubers also to increase their subscriber strength also they will depend on social media. What they will do is they will create so many social media websites will be there, that is Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, ShareChat like this, in Instagram, Pinterest. In all these sites they will prepare accounts with them, and they will give according to the customer requirement. They will provide web pages and as well as YouTube videos also. They will introduce in that into the team to the customers. They will see, and they will, if it is giving a very good genuine content means they will like it, and they will see very well, and the ads also will come, that by that the income also will come to the YouTubers and as well as website owners also. By that social media consultancy is having very good demand now, and it is useful also to them, and it especially indirectly it increases in social media consultant will give exposing to the community by their products and services and interfaces. Wishing you all the best.